it's Sam. So today I am going to be doing a room tour of Lily's room. It's kind of like a clean with me, rearrange with me / room tour before and after. It was a disaster, like complete disaster. And that's usually what it looks like in here because she is just a wild thing and she just creates her messes and then it's just a mess. So that's how my room was when I was little. I think my sister's was the same way. Today I decided to just rearrange the whole thing. We rearranged Phoenix's room recently and she was kind of jealous that he was able to actually like get to his window because hers was blocked with a dresser. So she had said that she wanted that as well. So I figured we would just rearrange her room for her and make it so that she could actually get to her window and it kind of just had like, I don't know, just a better kind of flow. So today, that is what we did, and I did document the before. So today you're just gonna see the before, the during, the rearranging, the cleaning, and the after. So I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Let's go ahead and get started. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, click that notification bell, and then give me a thumbs up if you like it. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Last weekend she cleaned it herself. But this is what has happened in 1 week.
1 week? I'm sure it's been like 5 weeks.
No, it hasn't, baby little. I cleaned it out 2 weeks ago for you, and then last weekend you cleaned it. What has happened in 1 week? What is all this?
No idea.
This is a mess, isn't it?
It's not my fault.
Well, whose is it then? The coconut?
Well, it is my fault, but whenever I play, somehow it just gets so messy. Do I always forget to clean up even though I think I did?
I don't know, but look, she shoves everything in her closet. Ay. So we are gonna clean today, aren't we?
And Squidgy's gonna help by chewing up everything in the world.
Yeah, she's gonna try and steal all the stuff. So we are missing a chair as well, aren't we?
Wait, where'd it go?
Wait, okay, so let's get, why don't you get your laundry basket first and put it right here, right in the middle. And then that way, we can get all of your dirty clothes. Your jackets aren't dirty, are they?
Hey, Fiona, don't chew on that. That's fine.
Don't steal her markers, doggy. You've got hamster fluff all over it.
Ew.
Maybe they are dirty. Okay, well, let's just, is this dirty? Wow, what is my hair even doing? I just have a random clip that she's put in my hair.
Actually, I didn't put that in.
You didn't? How did that get in?
You probably did it.
Did I?
Probably.
Oh, you took it out and then I stuck it back in. Is this dirty? Yeah.
It is?
I don't know.
Squidgy, stop
Everything
chewing
is
on
just
my
on the
slippers.
floor. I don't think those are dirty.
Probably not.
Hi, child.
Hey, now, honey.
Hey, no, honey, I'm home.
We need music.
Okay, put your music on.
Okay. What's that song called?
It's pajamas.
We put songs on YouTube that I don't even know what they're called. I know the perfect song.
Is your robe dirty?
No. You just washed it like a few days ago.
Okay. Okay guys, we're gonna keep on working on this and we'll show you the after. But here, whoops, here is the current.
It's going to take about 5 hours.
Yeah, it's probably gonna be a while. So here's the current state.
There it is.
There is mess
Ow.
absolutely everywhere. Clothes absolutely everywhere. Candy from Valentine's Day.
Boys,
Toys. It's all a mess.
books, dogs, clothes. Did I mention clothes? Clothes.
This is how I feel right now. This is how I feel. We're gonna be here a while.
Observe my words, let them sprinkle in your palm. Take down that wall that you're balancing on. Undo your ways, you repeat every day. Hear what I say. Feel my lips touch the tips of my hips. Feel the groove of your sweet symphony that I hear in my ear. Only when you're near. Silence is what I fear. So much is the same, not very much is different. Only time will tell if we can break the spell. Only time will tell if we can break the spell. With my eyes closed, I can see you. My memory serves a clear.
Do you like it? Mm-hmm.
Let me get through here. Ah, finally.
Because now look, you can sit by your window. What do you think?
Perfect.
Perfect? Are you loving it? I'm gonna get you a little nightstand right over there for your lamp and stuff, okay?
Okay.
Okay guys, here is the after. It is now, Alexa,
No!
what time is it? 5:41. We're working on this thing all day long. Here is what it looks like after. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, I love it. Do you love it, Lil?
Yeah. And people have to give me mail in my mailbox.
Oh, is that your mailbox?
Yeah, give me the mail.
Give me all the mail.
Yeah, give me the mail.
So cute. Okay, so now, before her bed was here, she had her desk over there, and then that dresser was blocking her window, so she couldn't really like get to the window or open the window very easily, which was kind of a difficult pain in the bum bum.
Next.
You can't lie on her bed. We just made it beautiful.
I'm gonna mess it up.
Why it got wrinkled?
What? How come Squidgy can go on?
Because Squidgy doesn't weigh as much as you do. She's 7
Okay,
pounds.
Mom, I want to show them what it's like. This desk was right here. This desk was right here.
Yep.
This was right here, and my bed was right here.
So right here is her desk, and this is her little gallery wall of all of the, she loves all of the pictures. Don't you, Lil? What's your favorite picture in all of this room?
Like these.
Just the whole entire room. Which one is your favorite thing?
Like favorite, like thing or favorite picture?
Like favorite thing on the wall?
I think I really like that one.
Oh, the sparkly one up there?
Like this.
Oh, that one's super cute.
And I also like the unicorn one too.
You like the unicorn one? It's very cute. So here's her desk. Her desk is from IKEA, and it's basically just the tabletop. I think it's called the Linman tabletop and the Alex drawers. And it's cool because it's like so good for keeping all of her workbooks, her sticker books, and then she keeps, watch your little legs, baby. Like paper, artwork stuff. And then like over these ones, but still put it back because I just had it perfect. I'm trying to do a room tour. Crayons, markers. In this one, she has like a big thing of markers. So it's kind of cool that she can store like everything she uses for her art. And then over here, she has all of her colored pencils. And then those are some like special watercolor markers, glue, scissors, glitters, all that kind of stuff. Yeah, your special ones that you got for your Christmas, I think. And then here she has a little shelf so that she can put all of her art that she does in here. That way, because I save all of her artwork. And then she's just got some little bits and bobs and some pens, rulers, pencils, her little rainbow light that her bestie gave to her for her birthday, a little unicorn light, some tape dispensers, her little mailbox, and then these are all of her cute little wall decor, which is very, very cute. Got that from Target. I don't remember where I got that one. I think that was TJ Maxx. And then here she has some pictures of her friends and of little Moo and her, just little bits and bobs, me and Jay in the new house. So, what, baby?
I'm gonna show the closet.
Oh, yeah, I don't know where you are though. Where are you?
I'm in my room.
Are you?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
No, you're not. You're in my closet.
Oh my gosh. Babe, you're messing it all up in here. I had it all perfect.
Wait,
So
yeah,
in here is her closet. Bye. Have a nice life. Over here is a bucket that we got from Target with all of her. Oh, okay, bye. You both gonna go in there?
Excuse us.
Okay, yeah, I'll close it for you. This bucket is from Target. This is where all of her stuffed animals are. And then her little screen, or I don't know what it's called, window cling. We got this from Amazon and it's so cute. It has little birds. She calls it stained glass, but it's nice because then the house right there cannot see in her windows, but then it still lets the light in so that she doesn't have to keep her curtains closed all the time. So that was from Amazon. And she has like a little painted rock over here. And then these curtains are from Target. They have the cute little pom-poms. Aren't those fun? Curtain rod is also from Target. She has some of her art on the wall. And then a dream catcher. She hung up that herself and I didn't take it down because she clearly wanted it up there. And then this is her bed. Sorry, the lighting in here is quite hard because it's such a pink room. Her bed is from Wayfair, and then her bedding I bought from Marks and Spencer's online, or was it Next? No, it might have been Next. I got it for her for Christmas, and it's so beautiful. The English bedding is just so cute. It's really like, just so feminine and like neutral, so beautiful. So it's got unicorns and deer and like little Christmas trees. And so, yeah, I'm pretty sure that was from Next. I'll try and link it if it's still available. And then her nightstand is from IKEA. We've had that for a while and I just changed out the knob. I've got her favorite books that she reads the most on the bottom here with her little crown that my friend Jess sent to us. She's got another little unicorn over here. She's got her little Guatemalan worry doll. Sorry about the noise, guys. This is like my life 100% of the time, so I'm used to it. Magic Fairy bedtime powder. Her water bottle in case she gets thirsty. She has her Alexa, and then cancel. A picture of me and her on our cruise to Alaska. And then a light, her little lamp, a little crown. My friend Jess sent that as well. I just stuck it on. Oh, it's backwards. Hold on a minute. It's supposed to go like this. There we go. That's better. Little faux succulent and a hedgehog thingy. And then this over here is her dresser. So she has a picture of her bestie. And then a little sign that one of my subscribers made for her a few years ago. I think it was like her 4th birthday or something. And that was really sweet. And then this is from an SL Miss Glam box. I actually cut it out and made it a picture because it's so cute. And then she has her little piggy bank. Oh, sorry, it's all blurry. There we go. And then a picture of her on the cruise when we went to Alaska. A little crown that my friend Jess also sent me for Christmas. And then if you stand back, this is what this wall looks like. So the wall hanging is probably from TJ Maxx or Marshall's. I think pretty much all of the wall art is from Marshall's. That was sent to me a few years ago. I cannot remember where it was sent from, but I love it and it's really cute and she loves it too. That was, I think it was a piñata that I got for her birthday last year. and she wanted to keep it, so we just cut the other piece of it off, and then she wanted to hang it up in her room. She likes to collect all of her little bits and bobs, so her room is full of really cute little things. It's very fun. It's a fun little girl's room. And then she has a mirror down here. She likes to sit down here and do her pretend makeup. So, oh, and then over here in this corner, she has her little unicorn and horse that she got for Christmas. So, that is her room. What are you doing over there? Just biting your tail? That's fun. Oh, and then on this wall, we just have a picture. It's actually for Christmas, but it says believe, which I feel like makes sense that there's like unicorns everywhere, so I just leave it up all year. But yes, that is Lily's new and improved room. I think it's way better this way. It's super cute because now she can actually like go to her window, which is nice. She can sit there if she wants to. She can open the window if she wants to, and she can actually like reach it instead of reaching over a dresser, which was kind of annoying. And I feel like it just has a better flow now. It's funny how it just takes you a little bit of time of living in a house to like know what you want it to be like as far as the arrangement. So, oh, and then this rug. Pretty sure I got this from TJ Maxx. Fiona has just, or I don't know who did that. It was probably Phoenix. It was straight. Now it's all crooked. But there you go. There is Lily's very pink bedroom, and her wall color is called Charming Pink from Sherwin Williams. So there you guys go. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. I'm pooped out. That was a lot of work today. Love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video.